kasi papalitan ko lang yung air intake niya. Medyo sira-sira na po. Tsaka yung crankshaft niya po, bali na. So, kailangan na po palitan, boss.
Dispatch, this is Officer Sati Gray, as the and 76 to the latest 1090 over.
To dispatch, this is Senior Resident El Shara, 1076, the latest active 1090 at Pacific Bank robbery. Injecting anesthesia, opening the wound, taking out the bullet, stitching the wound, will now commence CPR. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 2009, 2010. Stitching the wound, applying antibiotic ointment, applying transdermal patch, securing the patch with bandage.
Mga putang ina nyo! Masyado na kayo makakulit. Magkita-kita tayo sa daan. Putang ina nyo.
We are now rolling in the street, cabron.
We'll see you on the streets and lead you to paradise. Hazun Said.
Everyone, but when someone is unkind to us, you can run but you can't hide.
I am an undisputed gangster. To me, that means I'm playing by my own rule.
Santos on top, bitch.
I never lie to any man because I don't fear anyone.
See you on the streets, cabron.
Blood be the ink of our pact. 3 stars, 1 sky. Together we prosper.
For those who's in tough crowd. Oh, dito na pala yung mga patron eh. Anong gusto niyong gawin natin sa mga to?
Luhod sa mga hari ng kalsada. Mga bata, magbabarilin yan.